Hello, I'm Mohana Priya Thayalan, your dedicated pelvic floor physiotherapist. I've dedicated my career to understanding and healing the complexities of the human body. And today, I'd like to talk to you about the benefits of pelvic floor physiotherapy. The pelvic floor is a group of muscles that play an important role in our body. They provide support to our bladder, bowel, and uterus in women and prostate in men.
If these muscles become weak or tight, it can lead to complications like incontinence, pelvic organ prolapse, and chronic pelvic pain.
That's where pelvic floor physiotherapy comes in. This specialized form of physiotherapy is designed to strengthen or relax these muscles, leading to significant improvements in your quality of life. We help you improve bladder and bowel control, reducing or eliminating the embarrassment of incontinence. We also work to alleviate discomfort and pain, helping you regain your freedom of movement. Through ultrasound imaging, we can evaluate and track your progress, ensure we are on the right path. We also employ techniques such as visceral fascial mobilization and dry needling to treat specific conditions and enhance overall pelvic health. I'm confident in the potential of pelvic floor physiotherapy because I've witnessed its benefits firsthand. I've seen patients regain control of their bodies and their lives. It is more than just a job for me, it's a passion. So, whether you're dealing with challenges of pregnancy, recovery from childbirth, or simply looking to improve your pelvic health, remember, you don't have to live with discomfort or embarrassment. Help is available, and I'm here to guide you through it. Remember, every step towards healing is a step in the right direction.